Tired of constantly switching between your phone and iPad just to check your WhatsApp messages? Well, you're in luck because today, I'm going to show you how to access WhatsApp on your iPad, even without a dedicated app. First, grab your iPad and open the Safari browser. In the address bar, type in web.whatsapp and hit enter. This will take you to the WhatsApp web login page. Now, on your iPhone, open WhatsApp and tap on the Settings tab located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Within the Settings menu, select Link Devices. Then, tap on Link a device. Your phone's camera will activate, ready to scan a QR code. Point your iPhone's camera at the QR code displayed on your iPad screen. Make sure the entire QR code is within the frame for a successful scan. Once the code is scanned, WhatsApp web will automatically load on your iPad. You can now send and receive messages, share photos and videos, and basically do everything you normally do on WhatsApp right on your iPad. Now you can stay connected on your tablet without missing a beat. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.